Hello my dear friends, I have come with the data engineering with Python series, the video number lab 08. In this video, we will be dealing with the Parquet file. Here, we read the data from the CSV file, store the data into a Parquet file, again read the data from that Parquet file and store the data into a new CSV file. So please check the video and thank you. So let's start the lab 08 of data engineering with Python series. In this lab 8 we will perform the exercise. We read the data from the input folder of the customer's orders CSV. This is the sample data format of customers orders.csv. We read the data from here by using Python code and we convert into a Parquet file and store the Parquet file into the output folder and then again read the data from the Parquet file and then store the data into the output folder as a new CSV file. One requirements is there for executing this exercise. You have to execute this command pip install pyarrow into the terminal. Otherwise, this exercise will not work properly. Okay, first of all, we will clear the terminal and let's start our code. This is our pipeline.testpy. Start the coding. Import pandas as PD, print lab 08 work with Parquet file. Okay. Step 1, read CSV file. df data frame object is equal to pd dot read CSV bracket open close. We give the path. We read the file from the input folder, so we give the path input slash file name is customers.orders.csv. Click on this and click rename, copy this, paste this .csv. Yes. Next, print \n CSV data. Print df. We just read the data from the customers orders.csv and print the data into the using the data frame object into the our VS Code terminal. This is step 1. Let's now come to the step 2. Step 2. Write data to Parquet file. df dot to Parquet bracket open close, where we will store the Parquet file. It will be stored into the output folder. So we give the path of output slash, the file name will be same. Just copy it and paste it dot parquet Parquet. Next, comma, index is equal to false. Okay. print \n Parquet file created successfully. Yes. Step 2 work is done. We just read the data from the CSV file and then print the CSV dataset into the terminal, and also read the data from the CSV and write that data into a Parquet file which will be stored into the output folder. Okay. Next, step 3. Step 3, read data from Parquet file. Parquet _df is equal to pd dot read Parquet bracket open close. We have already stored the Parquet file into the output folder, so we read again the data from the Parquet file itself. So we give the path output utput output slash, the file name will be same, customers orders.parquet. Just copy it and paste it here. Yes. Give one print \n read data from Parquet file. Yes. Print Parquet.df, copy this and paste it there. Yes. So this is in step 3 portion. We just created the Parquet file into the step 2, read the data from to the Parquet file. Next, step 4. We will do write data to CSV file again. So we take the Parquet.df .to_CSV bracket open close, give the path, the same path we given, just copy it full, paste it. First change the extension, give it at CSV, and orders, just additional add output, and then after double quotation put comma, index is equal to false. Yes. Next, we do the print \n CSV file not a save, exported successfully. One more print. Here we give lab 08 completed successfully. Yes, save it. We have already sitting into the lab 08 path, so just execute the command. Python space, file name is pipeline underscore test. So pipeline underscore test dot py. Enter. Yes. In our code, first we have given the print lab08 work with Parquet file. So first print is coming lab08 work with Parquet file. Next, we read the data from the customer's orders CSV file and print CSV data and print the data frame object. So the actual CSV file is print here into this portion. Then into our code part, we write the data to the Parquet file and we print Parquet file created successfully. So this message is created, Parquet file is created successfully. So this Parquet file is created into the output folder. Go to the Parquet file. This is our generated Parquet file. That data read from the CSV and create this Parquet file. This is in the JSON format, customer ID, name, city, then order ID and then product. Okay. Next again back to the pipeline file. Next we again read the data from to the Parquet file. We're reading the data from this Parquet file and again it exported to the new CSV file. Read data from Parquet file. This is printed. Read data from Parquet file. Next we save the output to the customers orders output.csv. So this file is created, customers orders underscore output.csv. This output file is created from to the Parquet file. Again come back here. Next printed CSV file exported successfully. CSV file exported successfully and lab08 completed successfully. Lab08 completed successfully. That means in this exercise we read the data from to the input folder customer orders.csv, store it or saved it and created a new Parquet file and stored the data into the Parquet file. Then again read the data from that Parquet file and create a new CSV file and export the data to that new CSV file. So that's all for the lab 08. Thanks for watching.